Make a soccer Valentine's Day box with me. First, I spray painted a shoebox. Here is my printed field. You can find the link to edit and download your own printable field in the links below. Mine was a little big, so I cut it down to size and sealed it down. Here is where you should cut your hole if you need one. You can move the name and cut around the heart, or make a hole in the space below. Mine latch opens, so we'll be using that instead. I hand cut some hearts, then crimped them to decorate the sides. This would be a fun part for your little one to help with. All done. I found this soccer set on Amazon. I just hot glued the edges and placed them on. Here is my finished box. Check out the details below on where to find the printable field and player set.